Welcome to the Health and Happiness Hive. What if I told you there's a proven system that's helping complete beginners earn up to $900 per day from 7 different income streams? In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly how this done-for-you system works in just 3 simple steps. Here's the reality. Most people struggle with affiliate marketing because they're promoting single products with no follow-up, drowning in technical setups, wasting months building everything from scratch, getting 0 results. But that's about to change. Introducing the Super Affiliate Funnel System, your shortcut to success in 2025. Step 1. Clone the system. Get instant access to a proven marketing funnel. Everything is pre-built and ready. 0 technical skills needed. Step 2. Add your links. 7 pre-selected, high-converting programs. Just plug in your affiliate usernames. Done-for-you bonuses included. Step 3. Drive traffic. Access proven traffic sources, both free and paid methods. Start seeing results fast. What makes this different? Built-in roll-up commissions, 14-day email follow-up campaign, direct commission payments, and access to 18,700 plus member community. Members are already achieving daily commissions up to $900, multiple passive income streams, complete location freedom, 2-hour workdays, and 0 monthly fees. All without technical headaches, complex setups, employee management, or inventory hassles. For right now, get complete access at 100% off. That's a $2,000 value, free. Click the link below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more powerful income strategies. The Health and Happiness Hive, your path to online success.